Welcome to my channel. I am Matthew, and today is Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, it's time to try something new. And I had seen this somewhere on Facebook, and I can't remember the gentleman's name. I'll try to look it up and I will put it in the description below. But I know if you guys watch Fuzzy Shaves, he always does like Williams Wednesday. And we've kind of talked back and forth about the Dollar Tree and the different razors. And I said, you know, I would love for them to make a puck soap, you know, since Williams is discontinued. There's really not many puck soaps out there. And so that brings me to this topic, which the unforgotten person that I mentioned before had seen this. And this is a shave soap offered at the Dollar Tree. This puck is 2.65 ounces and it's made by Be Pure. And it's very interesting. I went down to my local Dollar Tree and found it. And I'm not a scientist, and my English is not as well or good as what I thought it used to be. But it says for the best results, use with brush and warm water. And to get a close shave, apply lather to the skin and shave gently against the direction of the hair growth. I find that a little misleading. But if you have tough skin, go for it. And the ingredients, oh, can you read that? Anyway, it says sorbitol, sucrose, stearic acid, glycerin, water, some other stuff, and then fragrance. And I do have the Be Pure puck already out. And here's what it looks like. It has a slight hint of like a clean scent, but I can't really put my finger on anything. And I can tell you for sure that it is not a lemon or a, what's that other stuff that they repel mosquitoes with? Not lemongrass, but, you know, the other stuff. Anyway, I'll think of it here in a second. Terrible. Okay. So I did whip that up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I just kind of loaded the puck for about 30 seconds and then added a little bit of water until I got it to where I thought it would be appropriate. And the Boar brush is what I think, you know, I should use because, I don't know, I love to use it, and I thought today would be the day. And let's see, no eyes in. It looks like it may be a little on the thin side, but we'll just kind of work it a little bit here. And probably the excess water on my face has done it. I could have took the puck and went ahead and did the whole face lather, but I wanted to try it like this. It definitely has slickness to it because when I had it on my hands, I could feel that it's probably going to do well. Today's razor is the Stirling stainless steel razor, and I've showed this in the past. And I will be using the Gillette Platinum blade on the second use. Probably holding it upside down. But the scent that I was trying to say that it doesn't smell like, came to me, and it's citronella. It does not smell like lemon or citronella. I had purchased some Williams in the past, and sometimes it's a lemon scent, and the last couple pucks that I got had a really strong citronella scent, and it was not for me. But if you're going to the park for 4th of July and you don't want to get bit, that's the soap to shave with. All right, let's warm up the razor and let's go for pass one. There's some residual slickness there. It's not super duper, but I will tell you that it's smooth enough to complete a shave. $1.25 for a puck, and they're making money on it. Has no problems rinsing out of the razor, so that lets me know that my consistency was in the soap was pretty spot on. And I hope you cannot hear it. My Dobie is in her crate, and she's having a little bit of withdrawals from Daddy, so she's whining a little bit. All right, let's see here. Oh, that razor always performs nicely, and I really enjoy that razor. That blade in there is a good combination as well. I thought I heard something drop on the floor. All right, I will go across the grain on my second pass. And since this soap does not have a defined scent to it, I think I'm just going to use my Stirling unscented aftershave splash. Who'd have thunk it? Alrighty. For $1.25, I will say this is definitely worth the investment. I've had other creams in the past that I spent more on and was worse. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. And I do have my ice cube stick here ready to go. I gotta pour some water out there. Oh yeah. What a nice shave. I may have to do a all Dollar Tree shave again now that I have a soap. Remember, I don't know if you guys had seen it, but I did the one with the little shave cream packet, and it was more like a lotion, and that did not work out really well. It worked, it just wasn't real pleasurable. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and man, I'm tongue-tied today. I'm going to grab the Glacial aftershave splash. And I got a little warning there that my battery looks like it didn't charge last night. So it's beeping at me. All right, and I'm going to follow that up with some Star Jelly. Half a pump. Oh yeah, let's check that out. Nice. Would you guys be willing to try the Dollar Tree Shave Puck Soap? Let me know in the comments below. And I would like to say thank you for everyone sticking with me and watching my tongue-tied shave video. And I will see you guys on Sunday Shave. You have a great rest of your week.